How to change Roblox password on mobile. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to change Roblox password on mobile. To start this tutorial, open Roblox, make sure you're logged out, and then click on sign in. Input your username and this time as well, your old password. Once done, tap on login. Now wait for Roblox to load. A few seconds will do. Bear with me this time. Alright, waiting. Okay, we're inside Roblox right now. Now to formally start, click on the three dots on the bottom right. Once you're there, scroll down. And then look for the gear icon, settings. Once you're in settings, go to account info. Once you are in account info, all you gotta do right now is look for the passwords. It's over here. Now click on the pencil icon. In the first bar, enter your old password or your current password. Once done, in the second bar, enter your new password that you want to use. Once done, confirm your password by typing in the new password that you have. And then, click on update. And that's it. You have now updated your password on Roblox. Please leave a like, share, and don't forget to comment. And hopefully you got some value in this tutorial. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.